So so I have already taught you about Jainism. Okay, who are Jains, who are Tirthankaras. These things you have to read very carefully. That who are Jains, who are Tirthankaras, and who is Bardhaman Mahavira. Then you have to know about Gautam Buddha, who meditate for enlightenment, who make Choturama and Panchatama. What is Panchabharma? What is Choturiyama? What is then about Digambara and Sitambara you have to know. So Gautam Buddha, to get enlightenment, he do many things. Okay. Uh, then Mardhaman Mahavira, who was the Jain, who see he also do many things. Now you have to read about the Gautam Buddha, who was also called Siddhartha. The births of Siddhartha taken place in 566 BC in the Sakya family of Kopila Bustu, situated in Terai region of Nepal. Now, like Mahavira, Siddhartha also belonged to Kshatriya family. At the age of 29, Siddhartha renounced the life of household and embraced hermitage. After meditating for close 6 years, he had attained Bodhi or wisdom. He was named Buddha for attaining this Bodhi. Now, therefore, the religion preached by Buddha is known as Buddhism. So, what is written here that Gautam Buddha meditated for enlightenment and he renounced the life of household. He came out from the life of household and embraced and he meditated for 6 years, where he attained Bodhi or wisdom. Okay, where he attained enlightenment. He was after name, he was Buddha for attaining Buddhi. Therefore, the religion preached by Buddha is known as Buddhism. So, the religion which was preached by Buddha, that religion is known as Buddhism. Now, the first sermon of Gautam Buddha. So, then you have to know about the sermon of Gautam Buddha, that who was Gautam Buddha. Siddhartha was meditating under a peepal tree in a place near Gaya. Okay, so then you have to know about Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha, we all know, he was meditating in a peepal tree in a place near Gaya. He attained Buddhi or wisdom. From Gaya, Buddha travelled to Sarnath near Varanasi. There, for the first time, he preached his sermons. Then these 5 disciples were his first 5 disciples. So Siddhartha, where attend meditate, where he attained enlightenment in under the peepal tree. Okay, how he attained wisdom. So these things written here, you should read about the first sermon of Gautam Buddha. Now, Gautam Buddha, after attaining Bodhi, okay, or wisdom, he preached, he was known as Buddhism. Understand? Now, who is Buddhism? How Buddhism occur? Now, Gautam Buddha, after meditating for 6 years, he attained wisdom or Bodhi, or it was named as Buddha or Buddhism. Therefore, then a religion came which was made by Gautam Buddha. That religion, after attaining wisdom, the religion made by Gautam Buddha, that religion which was preached by Gautam Buddha after attaining Buddhi for 6 years, that religion which was preached by Buddha is known as Buddhism. Now where he attained or meditate in under a peepal tree near Gaya. Okay, so now you have to know about the statue of Gautam Buddha, which is it is shown here, that to his disciples he was to his disciples the reason for suffering, how to move such suffering. In this context, Buddha preached for principal tenets. Okay, so Gautam Buddha has 4 tenets. Okay, he made 4 tenets which we যেটা আমরা আগেই পড়েছি, the 4 noble truth or tenets, that is Choturiyama Taya. Okay, so Gautama had talked about 8 paths or tenets, okay, to get salvation from sorrow. সো দুঃখ থেকে মানে ইয়ে করার জন্য, বেরিয়ে আসার জন্য তিনি 8টা 8-fold পাথের কথা বলেছিলেন। দিস 8-fold path is known as Astangika Marga. In Sanskrit, the word marga means path. So 8-fold path or 8-fold tenets, noble truth, he told by Gautam Buddha, known as Astangika Marga. So therefore Buddha went to Rajgira, then the Magadha from Bimbasara came as his disciple. Therefore Gautam Buddha had lived for 21 years in the kingdom of Kosala. So Gautam Buddha 21 years ধরে ছিল কোশালাতে ছিল। After preaching 45 years, Gautam Buddha then become died in Kashinagar. Okay, সো গৌতম বুদ্ধ আমরা কি বললাম যে তিনি 8-fold পাথ বা অষ্টাঙ্গিকা মর্গা করেছিলেন, যেখানে তিনি 21 ইয়ার্স প্রিচ করেছিলেন উইজডম, এবং 45 ইয়ার্স প্রিচ করার পরে 21 ইয়ার্স সে প্রিচ করেছিলেন, কিন্তু 45 ইয়ার্স এ করার পরে তিনি আর বাঁচেননি, তিনি মারা গেছিলেন। ওকে, then in the history of Buddhism religious for so Buddha used to 8 months ধরে তিনি ঘুরে বেরিয়েছিলেন। তারপর তিনি ওখানে 21 ইয়ার্স ধরে ওখানে কোশালাতে ছিলেন। তারপর সেখানে উনি 45 ইয়ার্স ধরে প্রিচ করেছিলেন ফর উইজডমের জন্য। ওকে, তারপরে সে মারা যায় ইন কাশীনগরা। So in the history of Buddhism, Buddhist religions তো বুদ্ধিস্ট রিলিজিয়ানকে আমরা এভাবে মনে রাখি, বুদ্ধাকে আমরা এভাবে মনে রাখি। So we come to know about 4 Sangits about Buddhas which was organized after the death of Buddha. Now you find this table is also important, that what do you mean by Sangiti? এই টেবিলটা একটু দেখবে যে সঙ্গীতি মানে কি, ফার্স্ট, সেকেন্ড, থার্ড, ফোর্থ। ওকে, সো these are the things about Gautam Buddha you should read. Now here you should read about Tripataka or Tipataka or Tripataka, which is a principal text of Buddhism also. Okay, so these things you will also read. Now here are also some other things is written about Jainism and Buddhism. Gautam Buddha having many similarities with Vardhaman Mahavira. So these similarities you have to read from here, that what are the similarities we find between Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavira. Understand? Now the tales of জাতাকার যে টেলস ছিল সেটা নিয়েও এখানে কিছু লেখা আছে, so you have to read it. So later I will tell you the similarities between Gautam Buddha and Vardhaman Mahavira. Okay, now you all should read about Gautam Buddha, that is who is Gautam Buddha, what is Astangika Marga, and what do you mean by Jainism, who is Vardhaman Mahavira, and what is Tirthankara.